Say the sounds, name the babies, and have fun learning. Cow. Says moo, baby is a calf, gives us milk. Pig. Says oink, baby is a piglet, likes mud. Sheep. Says ba, baby is a lamb, has fluffy wool. Chicken. Says cluck, baby is a chick, lays eggs. Horse. Says neigh, baby is a foal, runs fast. Duck. Says quack, baby is a duckling, swims well. Dog. Says woof, baby is a puppy, helps on the farm. Cat. Says meow, baby is a kitten, chases mice. Donkey. Says hee-haw, baby is a full, strong helper. Ostrich. Says boom boom, baby is a chick, biggest bird. Goodbye from the farm, thanks for visiting all the animals today. Wave goodbye, make their silly sounds, and come back to play another day. Chippa 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 chippa.